Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so I have some quick reminders, so let's get started. So tomorrow, the 14th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Hot Cocoa Treats and Sweets collaboration. I cannot wait to see you there. Let's move on to the next one. Now let's not forget that on the 15th is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. This week, we don't have a guest, it's freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. So I am really happy about this one. October 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Holidays Shop With Me and Haul, and it doesn't matter where you go shopping, guys. I can't wait to see you there. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so on October 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Styling My Way collaboration. I'm so excited about that one because we have a theme, and it's buffalo check or black and white, and the theme is pumpkins. I can't wait to see you there at 7 p.m. once again at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.